Yo, what is going on, guys? In this video today, I'm going to show you how to get free keys in Rivals Roblox. This is working in 2026. I spent a long time searching, and this is actually a free keys glitch. So this is a glitched Rivals code that you can redeem in game, and it is going to supply you 10,000 free keys. So yeah, this is definitely the fastest and easiest method, and I actually spent a long time searching for this method. I tried tons of methods on Google and also YouTube. Most of them are clickbait and they don't actually work. But this method is going to get you 10,000 free keys in Rivals using a working code. Before I show you how to do this, guys, make sure you do smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, because I'm always searching for working Rivals codes and glitches. So as you can see, I do recommend to get your free keys, you need to use your mobile phone to get this code. So I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on whatever phone you have. Just get your code using your internet browser. Go to www.crashcoupons.com. So make sure you type it exactly like this, guys, Crash Coupons. And essentially, it's going to bring you to a codes website. Now, this is a secret game codes website. They actually have some of the best codes for pretty much all of the popular games. So I'm just going to use the search bar at the top and just type in there, make sure you can actually spell it, Rivals, and it's going to bring you to this secret Rivals Roblox codes page, guys. Now on this page, there is a glitched key code. This code is going to give you 10,000 free keys in Rivals. So scroll down until you find this code, guys, 10,000 keys. So all you need to do is select get code. And this is going to bring up the page here, guys. These are working limited codes. You can see there's 457 codes remaining at the time of recording this video. And this is working in 2026. So as long as this page is available with codes, it does work. Now, because they're limited and 10,000 keys is really awesome, you do need to unlock your Rivals code. That's completely normal. It just prevents people taking more than one of the codes. So click on this button and you just got to follow the instructions on this page to unlock your secret keys code. You need to complete 2 of the tasks below. That is going to unlock your code from Crash Coupons. So as you can see, it says follow the instructions below each app. So essentially, guys, you need to choose and complete 2 of the tasks. They're all completely free. They will take you about 5 minutes. Just make sure you carefully read the description and complete what it says. Once you do that, it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Rivals Roblox free keys code will be revealed and you can redeem it in game. And that is the best free keys glitch in Rivals using a working code. That is going to get you 10,000 keys, which is absolutely awesome. Go to Crash Coupons, guys, and find the Rivals codes page and just scroll down and select the Rivals code. Hope you enjoyed the video. Enjoy your free keys. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.